Jason with Load Bearing Wall Pros. I wanted to show you guys a new product that we're offering. We're offering a panoramic sliding door, so we can do a complete turnkey installation at your house where we come out and both create the opening using an LVL or a steel beam, and then we install the door. So all in one day, you can go from a wall to a window wall, an openable window wall. So this is a 16-foot opening from that side of the panel to that door jamb, 16 feet total. We have 4 panels, and so 3 of the panels are operable, and they move and stack back into the 4th spot. So we create a 12-foot opening, bringing the outside into your life. Now, I wanted to show you the track system right here. If you can zoom in, Mr. Cameraman, the doors stack back, and this is the operation of them closing. So they are 4 panels stacking back, and they slide very easily across and come and create a nice tight seal. I hope we can come out and install one of these bad boys in your house. Thanks for watching.